We will shortly see how to draw shapes practically on JFrame, but let us first understand what are x and y coordinates and how any shape is drawn on the screen. The x and y are the location points of any shape that we want to draw. So from this graph, we can see that the green part represents the drawing area, which is visible to us in the JFrame. The origin of x and y is at the center. The x value increases when we move from left to right, and the y increases when we go from top to bottom. If we want to draw a rectangle or oval or any shape, then we must know the exact coordinates. Let us take an example of drawing a rectangle. So if we want to draw a rectangle with coordinates x equals to 10 and y equals to 10, then our rectangle will be at this location. Any shape we draw will have its coordinates located at top left. So for this rectangle, the coordinates will be at this point, because here we can see that the x and y coordinates meet at this location. Now let us take another example. So if we want to draw an oval where the x coordinate is 30 and y is 20, then our oval will be at this location, as the x and y coordinates meet at this point. So we have understood the theoretical part of drawing shapes. Now let us implement it practically.